Okay, question 6. Show that 6 cos squared theta is equal to tan theta cos theta plus 4, and show that it can be expressed in this 6 sine squared theta plus sine theta minus 2 equals 0. So two things you need to know here. You need to get everything into one thing. Now that is sine over cos, so that's sine theta over cos theta times cos theta plus 4, which means that we're getting to sine here. So I want to change that to sine, and I can say that's going to be 1 minus sine squared theta, so it's all times by 6. So I get 6, 1 minus sine squared theta. Now let's tie this all up. That cancels out. That becomes 6 minus 6 sine squared theta equals sine theta plus 4. Tie this all up. Obviously I've got a messy thing here. I want to add that to that side, take away 4 from both sides, so I get 6 sine squared theta plus sine theta minus 2 equals 0, which is what they want us to get. Okay, that's kind of neat. Now let's go to part B. 5 marks. See how long this will take me to do. Right, so we've got these two curves here. Let's sketch them out quickly. Let's do it correctly. So here we go. I've got this curve here, and I've got this curve here. And it's saying that this top one is 6 cos squared theta, which is handy, and this is tan theta cos theta plus 4. Notice the connection between what you've just done. It says here, solve the inequality where this is greater than this. So in fact, it is here, here, and here. So I need to find these points here, and then I can solve it. So I need to find out where they are simultaneously meeting each other. So where that equals that, look what you did above, where that equals that, you've already shown that that is where 6 sine squared theta plus sine theta minus 2 equals 0. So you've already now determined that this is a simultaneous result at those points there. So if I can solve this, I can then find the values. And that's really, really good. So what I need to do is, you can use your calculators nowadays that do all this kind of neatly. Okay, if you're old-fashioned like me, you have to do it this way. And then from here, you can see that sine theta equals 1/2 or -2/3. Now, don't forget, you can do cast, you can do a whole range of ways of doing this. The diagram, often most of us like using the diagram. That's kind of the common way of doing it in order to determine all the values here. So here, obviously, we know theta equals going to be 30 and 150. But equally from here, we're going to get, as integers, these 3 values here. And so there are our 3 markers. And so remember on our diagram, what we had, like that. So we can say that that is going to be 30 is there, 150, 222, and 318. It's surprising how rough you can do it, but how accurate it actually looks. Now, the actual answers, you have to say theta is going to be less than 30 but greater than 0, or theta is going to be between 150 and 222, or it's going to be greater than that. No, the limits were up to 360, so we do need to include that. So it's got to be less than 360 but greater than 318. And that's how you do those ones. Job done.